I'm not a weatherman, but I'm going to tell you it's getting lighter, got moisture in the air, the moon is up, and I'm going to see a little bit difference in coloring. It's almost like fog, a little bit of mist. Hey, I'm Fish. Well, we all know I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. People are not happy. They think it's a beta camera. They do not like the mapping of the camera. HDR, dynamic range, the sharpness, that's the texture, and the video noise reduction and the coloring in the tone mapping is not what people are liking for the reasons of they look cartoonish. Well, you ever take a camera, a regular camera, or just a smartphone, you take a picture of your face and you see the redness, the crisp, not the crispness, just like the radiation. And it shows a little bit different than what you see in the mirror. People don't like it. You think you're a cartoon, that the shot's ruined. And they want it to look like other cameras, like GoPro and like Insta. Well, they thought the camera was great. Well, I'm not complaining, not me. People out there are complaining. So yeah, I put a topic together and I said, let's address this and see what DJI can do. Put your vote in. And man, it's up to 50 people. How many people will it take to get the job done? To give us a little bit better color profile than vivid or neutral. Well, neutral, just basically goes back to the regular, natural color profile. And they call it neutral. And you're hearing people say, I'm not buying another DJI again. This is my last camera. You know what? Where you gonna go? Who are you gonna go after? You're gonna go to Insta? You're gonna go to GoPro that doesn't have any support whatsoever? And Insta's the only other camera company around. So these are the two camera companies, DJI and Insta. Forget about GoPro. You can sit all day long in the high, bright level of light and do your comparison of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 or the Ace Pro to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Don't make a difference because we don't have both cameras. You're going to make the Insta look a lot better than the DJI. And maybe you make DJI look a little different. Nobody knows. But yeah, open and honest people, real people, will tell you like it is, show you like it is. I don't have the money to go get a GoPro, a DJI, and an Insta every single time they release the camera and do a comparison. I'll be on the street, dead broke, not in a house, living in the shelter that I built in the woods. And then I won't be sharing anything more because I'll be broke 'cause I bought all these cameras. That's not what we want. We want to go grab a camera and go have fun with it. Yeah, it's a love and hate relationship. You either love it and you hate it. You can't love it and you can't hate it. It's one or the other for you. And that's why it's a love and hate. Pros and cons. You gotta live with what you got. Not happy? Move on. No, not like that movie. More money, more money, more money. You bought a camera that's very expensive, and that's the Insta360. At what? $449? And then the GoPro comes where? $399.99. And then where comes DJI? Oh yeah, $349.99. Yeah, DJI is the lowest in the field. The lights just went out. Man, I don't use D-Log-M, and I stopped using H-Log-M. But if I use 8-bit color or 10-bit color, 10-bit really don't work for me because I don't have a 10-bit machine, but my machine has the capability of HDR, and it does mighty fine on 8-bit. So could the possible reason be the chip that they have in here, the cloud communication chip that DJI doesn't know a single thing about? But if you got LUTs, you have a LUTs for the Action 3, the Action 4, the Action 5. You can't mix and match LUTs. They're all the same. And you do that color grading with a flat profile. We don't have a true flat black and white to give that pure color. And yeah, man, just go in there and put a little bit of vivid, put some shadow, put a little bit less white, a less black, and you got yourself an excellent video shot. But I don't want to keep putting it into every single video or highlight the whole thing. Now my program don't do it in a shot. Oh yeah, I could just basically export, because we don't use the word render, and then put a color on the whole video, and that's it. LUTs just in the video, that's your color grading. And then you can just go a little this way, a little that way, a little this way, and done. Mess around with your camera and the color profile, and do the shutter speed, and do the EV value, and do all these little things, and you'll get the color the way you want, and no more of that mapping. You could eliminate that mapping if you set the camera up correctly, and then save it in the custom. I don't love saving things in this camera as a customs, because you hit the mode, it saves in that one. You hit the quick start, it starts in that one. You got two separate video areas. So I don't use quick capture. I turn mode on and it saves to my last settings, where I want it to be saved as video mode. But that's only for the shutter button. Oh yeah, I'm in the motion. Yes, in the motion, doing the ocean. Woohoo! Oh, I'm pointing out the moon right up here, back there, right above my head. Yeah, man. Now, if I look at the sky over there, it's got the red, the color of the sun hitting the clouds. And over there, you can see the red in the sky, peachy color, pale blue. And that means it's got white in the sky with moisture. Super night's not on. So I'm on DJI mode. Yeah, people don't love the regular profile modes. I love my DJI mode. I got my video. I made my story. I could look back on it many years down the road. And yeah, you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. When the lights go out in the city, it's fixed, no longer hanging. They did a good job. Well, when I walked in this type of an hour, the lights were still on. Now they're shut off. So yeah, we're getting ready for springtime. Spring is in the air. What happened to my video? It's on here, and what did I do? I deleted off my whole vlog. Oh man, no way I could get it back. It is what it is, man. So yeah, I'm a vlog short. Oh man, what was I talking about the vlog? Yes, springtime. Springtime. What did I do? I went and got myself Miracle-Gro. Indoor, the right one. So I got some stuff done, Joe treated me good the other day. And yeah, I gotta go meet Joe, take care of a little bit of beeswax. And yeah, man, I tell you, I got this nice security light, no remote control, 1600 lumens. Put it up, it lights up. Not great for high traffic areas, but put it where you need to have it, and it do its job. Tell you what, you want to go get a screwdriver with me? Woohoo! Man, I got a screwdriver. Look at that bad boy here. It's a Husky. Huskies are good. Always good to have another screwdriver around. Phillips screwdrivers are good. Sometimes you got to toss them out because they don't do a great job. What's the difference between a cross and a flat? That's it. Get a little bit of different torque. I wasn't talking about vodka and orange juice. I know you were thinking about that. Yeah, man. Yeah, I tell you. So yeah, I also did this light. I went out last night and I didn't pay attention to it. The Harry Potter light, man. I like it. It should light up tonight again. And I'm looking again for RGB solar string light, 48-foot CCIC. Not available. It's been unavailable for a while. If it don't be available in a week's time, I'm not sure what's going to happen with the ones I got upstairs. All right, so I did my talk, did my share, did my fun, did my say. Time for me to get on the road, get on out of here. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll pay attention not to delete off a good and interesting vlog. Have a great day. See you next time.